Shade Exclusive.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Shade Exclusive. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Dhakai Jamdani. Before, this Dhakai Jamdani sari used to be made in Dhakai and was imported from there to here. Now there are many weavers who started working on this sari and there has been a lot of changes, from motif changes, work changes, then there was color change of colors, and nowadays even fine figure motifs in Dhakai Jamdani. Dhakai Jamdani saris are really lightweighted and it can be worn in a day occasion or a night occasion or in events like conferences or anywhere. So let me show you a few of my collections, and this is the first sari which I'm showing. It's in the figure motif. As you can see, there's a figure motif all laid in both the borders. So there's a tribal dancing. It's a combination of pink and black, and there's a yellow and black combination of figures. And you can see in the body there's a leaf motif going on, and the base color is really pastel shade blue color. It's really light. It's like aqua blue color. Even in the pallu, you can see there's a tree, and there's a girl dancing, and there's a man playing a tabla. The price of this sari is 2599. It's a really beautiful sari and you can wear it in any way you want, and you can carry it. It's a cotton based sari, so there's no problem with the heat, or there's no problem with the gorgeous or the sparkling thing. It's matte finish, so you can wear it in a day occasion or in any party, kitty party, or some get together. The next sari is in grey color. As you can see, it's a traditional work sari with vibrant resham is used to highlight this sari. So the work is in the borders and in the aanchal. And in the aanchal, you can already see there's a white color work on top of the grey, and golden zari is used to highlight it. And even there's a fluorescent orange and magenta colors is used here. And throughout the sari, you can see small booties as well as a big flower motifs. As you can see in the both sides of the border, it's the same border, but this orange and magenta color is used, and even the zari is used in between to highlight the sari. The price of this sari is 2859 rupees. With this sari, there's no blouse pieces, so you have to make your blouse pieces. You can just combine the sari with some magenta color blouse or some orange color, or you can just contrast it with some different colors. It's another figure motif sari. So as you can see, the base colors are really light. It's an off-white color. On top of it, blue and light pink is used all over the sari. I will start with the aanchal. The aanchal is really beautiful and it's really vibrant colors are being used. There's a deer motif and a woman motifs are being weaved here. This is not a printed one. It's all of this is weaved, and in the border there's the same motif but in a smaller version. Both of the borders are same, and all over the sari you can see deer motif, the small deer motif, one in blue color and one in pink color. The price of this sari is 2599. You can combine this sari with any silver jewelry or handcrafted jewelry also. The next sari which I have kept, it's a really beautiful lavender color sari, and on top of it the white colors have been used to be to highlight the sari. The aanchal of the sari is in the paisley motif, all over paisley motif with the work on top of it, and both of the borders are same. So the border is really little bit broad border but with the floral pattern with it. There's a paisley motif also, and in the body it has a unique motif which is like a 3-leaf motif with a circular round on it. The price of this sari is 2149. You can just combine this kind of sari with any blouses, because the blouse, there's no blouse piece with it, so you can combine with any dark shade blouse or any light shade. You can just go with a white, pure white, silverish white color blouse. It will look really gorgeous and elegant. Or you can just combine with a dark color. You can just combine with a really purple, a Banarasi blouse or a silk blouse with it. It's another color combination of the previous sari which I've shown. It's in this one is in black and orange color, vibrant orange color. I've shown another sari, the similar design, which was in blue and pink color. The price of this sari is 2189. This is another beautiful sari. So you can see all over the sari there's a heavy work in it, and in the body of the sari you can see there's a different color peacock motif, and there's another motif there's a flower motif, and the peacock colors are one in orange, one in white, one in golden. So different 3 colors have been used one after another. to highlight the saree, and in between the peacock motif there is a black color flower. The price of this saree is 2859. In the both side of the border, you can see a floral pattern as well as there is a peacock motif here. As you can see, orange peacock motif has been used here. There's a golden one here. There's a white one here with the floral pattern in it. And in the pallu, there's a really big peacock motif with the orange and white highlighted with it. The next saree which I'm showing is in a peacock motif also. So the pallu of this saree is in really big peacock motif in it. There's a peacock sitting on a tree branch, and the peacock has been highlighted with the yellow color, golden zari and white color. And throughout the saree, there's a jali work of floral pattern, and there's a layering of the color. As you can see here in the white, there's a bright white color, and there's a layering of a lighter version of the white color. The price of this saree is 3789. The next saree which I'm showing is a really beautiful saree, Dhaka and Jamdani saree, and the color combination is really beautiful. It looks really gorgeous with any color tone of the skin, and as you can see, all over the body there is a diagonal floral pattern going on, and the middle of the flowers it had been highlighted with a golden zari. Both sides of the borders, it's a temple work border. In the archal of the saree, you can see there's a flower pot and there's plant growing on top of it, and all the flowers and the birds in there have been highlighted with this golden zari. The price of this is 4689. As you can see, the saree which I'm wearing today is also a Jamdani saree. It has a really beautiful motif all over the saree, and all of the saree is highlighted with the pink resham, the flowers and the golden zari. In the saree, you can see that there's a jali work of the floral pattern all over the body of the saree, and both the borders of the sarees are in black, and where you can see the zari work and the resham work of different flowers. In the archal of the saree, you can see a different floral pattern. In here also you can see the flowers have been highlighted with a different color, which is a pink color resham or a golden zari. The price of this saree is 2499. The next saree which I'm showing is in light pink color. It's a really beautiful saree, and on top of it the white color has been used to highlight it. As you can see, the fabric of the saree, it has a really netty finish on it, and on top of it the work has been done. So in this saree there's a jali work on top of it. It's a floral jali work which has been highlighted with the golden color. And in the pallu you can see there's a big flower motifs which is as well as is highlighted with the golden color, and both of the borders there's a temple work in it. The price of this saree is 5299. There's another color combination of the same saree which I have shown you previously. In the saree there's a peacock motif in the archal of the saree, which has been highlighted with the blue and green color and the zari work, and all over the saree there's a floral jali work with it, and both of the borders are same. It has the same floral work. The price of this saree is 3789. The next saree which I'm showing, it's a really beautiful color combination saree, and the work you can see, the base color is in off-white color, and on top of it this work has been used diagonally, and there's a flower motif with the brown and green combination. There's another combination of pink and brown combination which has been used on top of it. Both sides of the borders are in yellow color base. On top of it, the floral border has been used. There's a big flower with the highlighted with the brown color in the middle, and there's a pink flower all over the border of the saree. The archal of the saree is in off-white color, and there's a yellow border on the side, and it has been covered with a floral work all over the pallu. There's a different colors pallu. There's a pink color, there's a white, there's a green. Different colors has been used, and yellow resham has been used for the leaf motif. The price of this saree is 5399. If you have loved this video and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and do like it, share it, and do comment in the comment box that which saree is your favorite one and what new collection you want to see in the next video. If you like any of the saree which I have shown you today, please comment us, or you can just WhatsApp us to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is given in the description box below. or you can just log into our website, which is kshedexclusive.com. I do recommend that you should visit our store. Here you can see quite a few variety, a lot of variety actually in our store, with different motifs, different designs, and all of this are going to be within your budget. We have quite a few stores. Our stores are in Kalighat, but one is in Parashat, one is in Durgapur, one is in Shirampur, another one is in Gorihat. Thank you for watching. See you next video.